In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a plane in War Thunder Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get a plane in War Thunder Mobile, you need to progress through the research tree for your chosen nation. So after you select a nation, you will have access to the research tree, where you have a bunch of vehicles. Inside of that research tree, you might find planes. So make sure that you browse the research tree and you find a specific plane model that you would like to research for. Once you find a specific one, it is time to start working towards that objective. So first, earn research points. Research points are going to be used to go over the research tree and eventually acquire the plane. To do this, all that you have to do is play battles. To keep it simple, just play consistently and try to look into specific vehicles that you are able to play well with, because if you are able to complete objectives and win matches, you will accumulate a lot of RP. Consider using boosts and complete daily and weekly challenges for additional RP. By playing consistently and always trying to play for the objective, you will be able to earn a lot of RP. Now, you can use your earned RP to research aircraft in the Tech 3. Each aircraft will require a specific amount, so that's why it's important to note down your specific objectives. Now, once you have researched an aircraft, you will be able to purchase it using Silver Lions that are also earned through battles and other in-game activities. So essentially, it all comes down to acquiring research points. So it's important to play a lot of matches daily, weekly, completing the objectives, and capturing points, destroying enemy vehicles to earn more RP. Consider joining a squad and even purchasing a premium account, which can significantly speed up your process if you are satisfied with the game and you would like to unlock a lot of things in the research trees. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a plane in War Thunder Mobile. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.